And we're back. Let me tell you why I have this big smile on my face because we are going to talk about some chickpeas today. Now, something I did not mention is that, or I have mentioned this before, I like to make all of my, whenever I'm using beans, I like to use them from the dried state. So more than I'm going to say it got to be in a high 90%, right? 90% of the time when I'm making something, I use making something that use beans is going to be from the dried state. So I am excited to talk about my friend today, chickpea. The chickpea is a gangster like no other. Okay. First of all, we're not even going to talk about all the different things. We are going to talk about it, but not right now. But the reason why I like chickpeas so much is not only because I think it tastes awesome and I use it like a lot in different meals, prepared different ways, but also this is good to control your blood sugar. So, what I mean specifically is, we have some people, it could be one of us possibly, in our families that may suffer from like blood sugar spikes. This is going to help. So make sure you get some chickpeas in your diet if you have that, or if you know a friend or have a friend of a friend who may have that concern. Also, it's chock full of minerals, vitamins, fiber, which is great, especially if you are trying to. Let's see how we want to phrase this. If you're interested in weight loss, and here's very specifically what I mean by that. Because of the high fiber content, what it does is it helps to give you that like full feeling in your belly, in your tummy. So, and because of that low glycemic index, or the fact that it helps with keeping your blood sugar from spiking, it's going to help you if you eat more of this and less of things that you probably should not eat. Now, I am a chickpea fanatic. Okay. When I buy these dry beans, I didn't realize. So where I go to like my little fancy store, I call it, right? So they have these huge bins, and there's other grocery stores that sell like this too. This one in particular, though, they already have it pre-packaged in like the really big bulk. And when I mean really big bulk, like I buy 20 pounds of this. I didn't realize it was that much. I just automatically grabbed a big bag because it's like I know I'm gonna use this to make my, are you ready for this? My sweet potato coconut curry chickpea stew. I have a video on that. I'll link it in the description for you. Also, you can use this to make like meatballs. Meatballs. Also, you can use this to make burgers, stews. I've seen it in soups. I mean, recently, I was looking at a recipe because I wanted to try something a little bit different. And this whole meatball thing came up. So I said, well, let me try that. And when I was making it, I remembered that you can also put this, you can roast it, right? Roast it and put it as a topping on a salad. What can't you do with chickpeas? Like seriously. And again, I will say I'm a huge fan. So if you're interested to see more recipes on chickpeas, please leave a comment for me and let me know if there's something in particular you would like for me to make, because we're planning what we're going to do when I'm out of this fashion accessory. But for right now, I just wanted to make sure that we highlight this bad boy because even as I'm shaking it, I'm like, oh, my chickpeas. Yeah, I think they're really great. And if you've ever had them, especially like in a lot of Indian stews as well, I think you know why I'm excited about them. So those are chickpeas. Shout out to you for staying here with me while I'm going through this recovery. Shout out to all the people who are supporting me. Shout out to my wonderful business coach who is helping me to get through this situation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. I just realized I didn't get into the whole details, right? About like what is happening with this situation aquí. So I took a tumble down 9 stairs with my 2 year old. She is fine. I think she was more startled than anything, just because as I am slowly, I swear to you, I'm going down these steps in super slow motion. And I felt every step like, when is this going to end? So I'm holding her, like kind of like holding her up because I didn't want her to get hit by any of the stairs or just fall out of my arms. And Yeah, so now I have to wear this fashion accessory. If I can, I'll turn so you can see the back and you see how wonderfully pronounced it is in the back. Do you see that profile? Ooh, can you see it? Can you see it? It's real. Okay. So, Cooking with Jess has taken a slight little hiatus on the cooking part. We're going to talk because you know she's going to tell the story. But we're taking a little pause on the cooking, but we're still talking about eating healthy. We're talking about using wonderful ingredients that are good to our bodies so that we can be good to others and ourselves. All righty. See you in the next one.